Ebitongore bine byenda basaba kukira munonga bacwerirwe emyaka 5 no kweyongerayo bikirizibwe batandikye kuteera akaruuru ko kutora n'abebembezi babo. Abahona nibenda n'omuhendo gw'abanyeshenjero guchendezibwe kusyaha abanyeshenjero babiri bonka buri district.
So it's favoring some people and there are some people who are not favored. For example, one day I had one of the leaders say some people had stolen government money. That please don't put them on pressure, because if you pressurize them, they will run out of this country and invest this money outside. And as a country, we shall be losing out. Now, isn't that way one way of pampering?
All presidential candidates be equal. If you are to have a pickup of police officers, let us have the equal sharing. Katumba should have equal police officers as Mr. Seven, as Reverend Muhanga, because we are all competing for the same position.
Ahacho bwegese nibenda bwegese bwa kansara wa district bwongezibwe okusya hasinia ya mukaga kandi bwo munyeshenjero bushya degree.
You will find the mayor as the head of the institution, but the town clerk is more powerful than the mayor. And the mayor is supposed to supervise the town clerk.
A powerful town.
Yes. You will go to schools. You will find a science teacher is earning more than the headmaster. And the headmaster is supposed to supervise that teacher. And we are talking of decentralization. Decentralization literally means that you are transferring the power and authority.
I have been to villages where we have done road shows. You stop by a village to sensitize people about their rights and they will chase you. Do not waste our time. We want to work.
Do not expect to get good results in the elections when the electorate are not well prepared, not well given the information they are supposed to have. For example, we have challenges. You find an electorate demanding a school, a road from a member of parliament who has no budget.
Konka we Robert Beine orukora nka regional election officer Midwestern Ageihangwe birumune bishabo kutebwa mu nkora nikije kwijana ebizubu byacu.
Be organized. It's not just transmitting results. Now here's the problem. For us to transmit results, whether they are faulty or not, this will have money, they are one polling station. And the law says any complaint arising at that time, you can only sort it out now in a petition, but the Kenyans have time to handle complaints.
Instead, you see, it's most representative.
Gasha kwa Jona Ntusengwiri.